Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. The first one is an off-road car, red color. Police Super motorbike, white color. Shoot car. Super motorbike. This one is a police super motorbike number 911. Super motorbike. Supercar, yellow color. About this one, everybody, a logistic truck. Mini monster truck. Everybody, let's move forward. So now I put some water. Spider-Man red color. Super motorbike, yellow color. Excavator. How about this one? A logistic truck. Mini monster truck with a sticker of Iron Man. Racing car, green color. Bulldozer. Mini cute racing car, green color. About this one, school bus. Everybody, continue to another truck. Four wheels, motorbike. Mini bulldozer. Racing car. About this one, Iron Man, black color. A logistic truck. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language, but in English we call truck. Racing car number 9. Monster truck, mini monster truck, white color. Red super motorbike. This one is the last one. Okay everybody, if you love this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.